WhatsApp. Button.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get custom ringtones on your phone. I'm talking like Huawei, Blind Shell, lots of the ringtones which you can't find.
Screen record. Scan code. Button. Weather.
Now,
Weather.
if you don't
Web.
know,
Wall. Doc.
I found
So
this
far.
when looking at
Messages.
something.
207 unread message.
In fact, my friend Alfie told me about this too. Index of slash phone
Messages.
tones slash
Messages.
zip.
Message. Safari.
That's what I searched and it came up.
Landscape.
I'm
Bookmarks. Button.
going to
Heading not
open the
found. Heading not
website.
found. Heading not found. Back. Bookmark. Select page menu. Add page to reading list. Reload page. Share. Move. Tab. Jump to. Content. Link banner. Gen 2 Linux logo. Link.
What?
Tabs. Move. Share. Add page. Select. Bookmark. Back. Back. Button. Back. Web page loaded. Wiki. Gen 2 Linux logo. Link. Move. Add page. Book. Forward. Back. Dim. But back. Forward. Select page. Add page. Reload page. Page. Move. Tab. Tabs. Button. Oh wait. Index of slash phone tones. Gen 2 Linux. Index of slash phone tones slash zipped. Tab. 3 of 4.
I will provide the link in the description.
Tabs. Button. Index of slash phone tone. ICO. Row header. Name. Column header. Column 2.
Now.
Link. Links. Headings. Parent director. ICO. Name. Links. Headings. Contain. Screen record. New line. N. Voices. Speaking rate. Cap N. Lines. Words. Characters. Rows. Edit. Form. Edit. Rows.
It's best you navigate rows.
Separator. Parenter. Row. Row. Row 5. Row 6. Parenter. Separator. ICO. Row. Parenter.
Never mind.
Image. Rows. Edit. Form. Links. Form controls. Edit. Size. ICO. Form controls. Edit. Rows. Characters. Rows. Edit. Form. Links.
Navigate by link.
194 links. Name. Chinese. Mist slash. Row 5. A slash. AGM slash. Acer slash. Anal slash. Alcatel slash. Amazon slash. Amoy slash. Apple slash. Asus slash. AudioVox slash. Axiu slash. Blue slash. DQ. Russia. DQ slash. Beeline slash. Bellwood slash. Siemens slash. Blackberry slash. Blackphone slash. Blind Shell slash. Bluetooth slash. Marble slash. Brand slash. Reinvader slash. Shy 2003 slash. Canonical slash. Casio slash. Row 32. Column 2. Link.
Yes, Canonical did make ringtones. In fact, there's an Ubuntu Touch directory. You can go ahead and check.
Casper slash. Row 30. Selkin slash. Cherry Mobile slash. Row 35. Cisco slash. Contour slash. Coolpad slash. Cryos slash. Qubit slash. Qwordle slash. DEXP slash. DZ0. Danger slash. Suji slash. Doro slash. E10 slash. Essential slash. Evertech slash. Xplay slash. Fairphone slash. Hero slash. Fly slash. Freetel slash. Fujitsu slash. 5 slash. General Mobile slash. Data slash. Xiaomi slash. Google slash. HMD slash. Google slash. Row 60. Column 2. Link.
Now I'm
Android
going
HTC
to go to
slash
Google.
29,300. Last modified. Size. ICO. Name. Android M3RC20A zip. Galaxy Nexus. Zip. Row 4. Nexus dash 4. Zip. Nexus dash 5. Zip. Nexus dash 5X. Nexus dash 6. Nexus 1. Nexus S zip. Pixel dash 3. Zip. Pixel dash 2 XL. Zip. Pixel dash 4. Zip. Pixel dash 7. Pixel. Link not found. Link not found. Last modified. Name. Pixel. Zip. Column. Link not found. ICO. Apache slash 2.4. Last modified. Name. Pixel. Zip. Size. Last. Name. Pixel dash 7. Zip. Last. Name. Pixel dash 6. Zip. ICO. Name. Pixel dash 7. Zip. Column. Alert. Do you want to download Pixel dash 7? Zip on opening double. Download. Back. Safari. Downloading Pixel dash 7.
Now it's actually recommended you download
Row 25.
VLC Media Player, so you can play the OGG files.
Size. Name. Pixel dash 3. Android dash 11. ICO. Name. Last. Name. Android dash 11 go. Zip. Column 2. Link. Share. New tab. Share. Reload. Add. Page. Select. Bookmarks. Back. Book. Select. Page menu. Add page. Reload page. Share. New tab. Tabs. New. Reload. Add. Page. Selected. Page menu. Page. Text. Dismiss pop-up. Shop. Shop. Chat. User script. Last pass. Open the moment. Manage it. Download. Translate. Downloads. Button. Done. Button. Clear. Pixel dash 7. Zip archive file. 9.2 MB.
Now, you can click on the zip. I have VLC installed, so we won't need to worry about OGG.
Ubuntu Touch dash 16.04 OTA dash 5. Back button. Downloads. Action. More. Search. Tick. Your iCloud storage is full. New. Get more. Free Scrub underscore 12,710.3. Tab bar. Reasons. Remote free. Void x86 vanilla. Ubuntu Touch dash 16. Ubuntu Touch dash. Utilities Linux. Zip. Thank you. Text D4C. Text D4. Text dash. Signal. Set up next cloud. RSD client. Round Q. Pulse beam. Pixel dash. Orion. Pixel dash 7. Zip. Selected. Pixel dash. Pulse beam. Pixel dash 7. Zip. Pixel dash 7. Folder. 4 items. Your iCloud storage. New. Get. Your iCloud storage is full. New. Get. Alarms. Folder. 13 items. Notifications. Folder. 16 items. Ringtones. Folder. UI. Folder. 29 items. Up arrow waiting. Actions available. Ringtone. UI. Folder. 29 items. Up arrow waiting.
Yes,
Action
that is
available.
quite cool.
Ringtones. Folder. 13 items. Up arrow waiting.
Now, ringtones.
Your new files. Get. Crackle. Hotline. Og. Audio. Flutterby. Og. Audio. 31/12. Selected. Flutter. Portrait flipped. Landscape. VLC. Close. Button. Close. Close. Title. Android. Resource. / com. Google. Android. Soundpick. App switcher. VLC. Files. Active. Close. Activate. Files. Dictate. New files and edits will not. Get. Copycat. Crackle. Og. Audio. Copycat. Flutterby. Og. Hotline. Og. Leaps underscore. Hotline. Selected. Hotline. Og. Appearance. Automatic. Button. Generic. Make a donation to the files. VLC. Files. So files. Activate. Files. Your. Get more. Hotline. Og. Lollipop. Og. Lost underscore found. Leaps underscore found. Lost selected. Lost underscore found. Close. Title. Lost underscore found. Og. Rotate. Button. Toggles the video player between landscape and app switcher. VLC. Files. Close. Activate. Files. Files. Pixel dash 7. Ring. More. Button. Search. Hotline. Lollipop. Lost underscore. Mash underscore up. Monkey underscore around. Mash underscore up. Selected. Mash underscore. Privacy. Open in settings. Button. VLC. Files. VLC. Files. Close. Activate. Files. Files. Dick. Your iCloud. Hotline. Og. What's up? Lollipop. What's up? Mash up. Monkey underscore around. Schools underscore out. Og. Audio 31/12/. The underscore big underscore adventure. Your underscore new underscore adventure. Zen underscore 2. Og. Audio 31. Selected. VLC files. Pixel dash 7. Back button. Title. Zen underscore 2. Og. App switcher. Files. Safari. Files. VLC. Close. Activate. Files. Files. Search. Dick. Get more store. Crackle. Flutterby. Hotline. Leaps underscore. Lollipop. Og. Leaps underscore pounds. Og. Lost underscore. Mash underscore up. Og. Monkey underscore around. Og. Audio. Selected. Monkey underscore. Appearance. Automatic. VLC. About. Button. App switcher. VLC. Active. Files. Active. Activate. Files. Files. Ring. More. Search. Mash underscore. Monkey underscore. Schools under. The underscore. Your under. Schools under. Selected. Schools under. Close. App switcher.
Why is that a
VLC.
ringtone?
Files. Activate. Default. Your right. New files and 13. Zen underscore 2. Og. Your underscore new underscore. The underscore big schools underscore. Monkey underscore around. Og. The underscore big underscore. Selected. Underscore. Privacy. Open in settings. VLC. About. Button.
That reminds me of
Switcher.
something.
VLC. Files. Activate. Files. 13 items. Zen underscore 2. Your underscore new underscore adventure. The underscore big underscore adventure. Schools. Your underscore new. Selected. VLC. Close. Button. Close.
Hey, that's copying Samsung. That sounds like something the Google Home should play on its first startup. Like, not like when you buy it from like a stranger and it's used. I mean, like when you buy it from Google. It just sounds like a good activation sound.
App switcher. VLC. Files. Activate. Files.
Now, once you've found
Files.
the
Pixel dash 7.
ringtone you
Back button.
like, this only works on iOS 26. I'm going to make a video detailing how you can do it on older versions like iOS 18, but this method only works on iOS 26.
Ringtones. More. Search. Mash underscore up. Og. Schools underscore. The underscore. Your underscore new. Zen underscore 2. 13 item. Zen underscore. Your underscore new underscore adventure. Og. Move. Share. Keep. Share.
Now, go ahead,
Your underscore
click
new underscore
share.
adventure. Portrait. Landscape. 65. Image. Your underscore. Send copy. AirDrop. Send copy. Dismiss. Free. WhatsApp. Nextcloud. Earthlet. Telegram. Email. Next. More. Add the. Use. Save the. Use as ringtone. Button. Use as ringtone.
And use as ringtone.
Portrait.
If everything works,
Set. Sounds and app 70%. 65%. Sounds. Ring. Haptics. Sound. This will. Atomic. Sparkle. But. Selected. Your underscore new underscore adventure selected. Your underscore new underscore adventure button.
You'll hear your chosen ringtone. There you have it. Now, I will also tell you how you can do notification sounds.
App switcher. Settings. Files. Activate.
Now, notification sounds is a bit different
Landscape.
because
Home button to the right.
it's a bit tricky since Apple don't have documentation and they only said this is for
60%,
ringtones.
65%. Pixel dash 7.
And yes, you can
Back
get the alarm tones too.
button. Search. Dictate.
At least I think
Your
you can.
iCloud. New files and edits will not be. Get more. Alarm. Notifications. Folder 16. Beginning. OG. Audio 30. Selected. Privacy. Open in
Ooh.
settings. Button.
I kind of like that one.
App. VLC. Files. Close. Activate. Files. Files. Search. Dictate. Your new file. Get. Beginning. Coconuts. OG. Select. VLC files. Pixel dash 7. Title. 5. 5. VL. Files. Active. Close. Activate. Files. Files. Your iCloud store. Get more. Coconut. LED. OG. Selected. Make a donation to the deal. VLC. About. Settings. Document. Private. Appearance. Make a donation. Generic. Heading. App. Setting. 5. VLC. Files. Close. Activate. Files. Files. Notification. More. New. Get more. LED. OG. End underscore note. Eureka. End underscore. Selected. End underscore note. VLC. Close. 5. VL. 5. Activate. Files. Files. Your iCloud store. LED. End underscore. Eureka. OG. Audio. 30. Select. Privacy. Open and VLC. About. Button.
Oh my
Apps,
god.
VLC. Files. Active. Activate. Default. Files.
This brings
Your iCloud
back
storage is full.
memories when my
Files.
brother had
Pixel dash
Google
7.
Pixel.
Notification. More. But. Your new file. Get. Code. LED. End. Eureka. Gentle underscore gone. Selected. Gentle underscore gone. VLC. 5. VLC. VLC. Files. Activate. Files. Your iCloud. Search. Your new. LED. And. Eureka. Orders under. Mallet. OG. Selected. Portrait. App switcher. Set. VLC. Active. Close.
I
Activate.
believe they actually
Files.
have a file length on it
Landscape.
actually, like, it can't be too
Home button.
short.
55, 60 pixel. No.
Let me see.
More. Sir. Your iCloud. Get. Beginning. OG. Audio. 30. Coconuts. LED. End under. Eureka. OG. Cop. Move. Share. Keep download. Share. Pixel. Edit action. Accessible. YouTube download. Battery. YouTube. Access. Art. Jade. Copy. Spot. Rhythm download. Ultimate download. Yaz. Any. Download. Navic. Battery. Site. Baby. Database. Lucy. Publisher. Lucy. Spring. Lucy. Lucy. ETL. GPT. Alpha. 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 Apple. C. Describe. Process. Save the. User ring. New quick. User ringtone. Portrait. Settings. Sounds and haptics. 50%. Sounds. 75%. Tone. Haptics. Default. Store. Tones. Download. Is will Atomic bell. Selected. Eureka. Button. Selected. Eureka. Button. Delete. Activate. Default. Atomic bell. Delete. Activate. Is will download. 70. 65. 60%. Selected. Sparkle. Button. Your underscore. Sparkle. Selected. Sparkle. Button.
That was my first ever ringtone I got from this site. I used to previously, like, I would grab my, old Samsung and I would basically get the sounds, you know.
Your underscore new underscore adventure. Selected. Your underscore new underscore adventure. Button. Reflection. Arpeggio. Button. Sounds and haptics. Back button.
So, once you've done that, set your ringtone back to the one you want. Then you can set the default alerts, or you can set it to text tone, new voicemail, lots of customization settings you can mess around with to see what's right. For me, that Eureka one, I think it should be text tone.
Sound. Ringtone and volume. Change haptic. Ringtone. Text tone. Note. Button. Haptics. Tone. Sound. This will. Alert tone. None. Selected. No. Antic. Cheers. Chord. Button.
I actually don't know if it comes up. I remember getting the Galaxy one.
Pass it. Portal.
You know, like the do.
Rat. Rebop. Slide. Welcome. Classic. Ringtones. Atomic Bell. Wazag.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Eureka. Spark. Eureka. Selected. Eureka. Button. Sparkle. Delete. Active. Sparkle. Your underscore. New underscore advent. Sounds and app.
So now that you've done everything, you should have the ringtones you want, and you can keep doing this process until your phone is so full of ringtones you're out of storage. And then you'll have to delete some ringtones. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Now, if anyone wants a guide on doing this for iOS 18, I can do one. It's actually not that hard. You just need to download an app. And if the ringtone is a .org, you need a shortcut which can convert it, and you need a shell. The process is a bit more convoluted, but it can be done. So, bye.
Screen recording in progress.